I've been getting a lot over the last 7-8 days is, Melissa, where are you? What are you doing? Why did you move? What did we miss? Well, you missed quite a lot because I haven't been sharing a lot. But I moved all the way to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. I feel like every time I move somewhere there's a hidden motive. So no, it's not for makeup. It is to teach English, but it is motivated by working towards my future in makeup and being somewhere else one day. I know to a lot of people it doesn't make sense. A lot of people told me that I should just stay in South Africa, that my brand was growing there and I just started getting into things again. But this is what my heart wants to do. This is what God is supporting me doing. I really hope so. I believe in my mission, I believe in my passion, and I believe in everything I am doing at the moment. So that's the only thing that matters to me. I really try to vlog my whole journey as to like leaving South Africa, packing, getting here, settling, but I'm not a vlogger. Like naturally, I'm a shy person, so pulling a camera out in public is like a no for me. I embarrass myself. I don't like that. So I have some snippets of the last few days that I will show you, and just like as a little montage so you can enjoy or see what I did. still pretty empty, so maybe on a later date, like as I start ordering things or getting things for my place, I can show you more about it. But we can figure this out together. I'm still gonna be doing makeup videos, but I think I'm gonna do like once a week vlog, because I just like creating content and I feel like it's a lot different than my usual style. So if you have any pointers or any advice, please let me know in the comments. But this is today's first video. I hope you have an absolutely blessed day. God loves you, and then I will see you on my next vlog or next makeup video, whichever comes first. Who knows? Figuring this out. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you in the next one.